Hi there, my name is Impace and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I made this lily pad dragonfly construction. I hope you like it. It's for my mother for her Mother's Day present. Stay tuned to the end to see if she likes it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thanks a lot. So first off, I'm going to take this knife handle and I'm going to grind it down to make it a little bit more round. Now I'm going to take some knife blades to use as wings. It's pretty obvious, really. I'm going to take this thin bar, heat it up and bend it around this pebble to make the body. Now I'm going to weld that to the tail. Now to mount the wings to the body. So now I want to put some of the lines around the tail so it looks like the sort of individual parts of the tail of a dragonfly. This didn't go too well, the lathe here, because the thing wasn't actually straight, it would appear, so it was all over the shop. So I then took it out and just did it manually on the grinder. Now I need to just mount that back to the wings. Now I'm going to try and make the face of a dragonfly just by welding this in and then using a bit of grinding, etc. to make the shapes. Didn't actually go too badly. Now I'm going to cut that off and mount that to the body, and then I need to make some surround of the body to keep the pebble into place. now that's the dragonfly part of this done. Now onto the lily flower itself, which is basically just welding a load of spoons together. Now I'm going to take some of these grinding pieces. We've got pink ends, so I thought they'd make it look nice for the centre sort of seeded parts of the flower. And there you have the end product, all put together with just a stainless steel sheet for lily pad itself. And for those that waited for the end, yes, my mum loved it.